Gonna have one auto and hopefully a bunch of color. (2017) Optic 20 packs. Pack number 1. Good luck. Watkins, that one. Got a rookie and a prism. Gridiron Kings, Michael Thomas for the Saints. Prism. Refractor. Yep. Michael Thomas for the Saints. Gridiron Kings Prism. Not numbered. And a rookie for the Browns. Matthew Days. Matthew Days for the Browns. That is pack number 1. I think I see some color in this one. A couple of rated rookies. Nice one for the Packers. Jamal Williams. Jamal Williams Prism rated rookie for the Packers. Nice one. And a Curtis Samuel regular rated rookie for the Panthers. Curtis Samuel. Pack number 3. Brady. I have a Prism. Andrew Luck for the Colts. Andrew Luck Prism for the Colts. Not numbered. And the rookie is Isaiah Ford for the Dolphins. Isaiah Ford for the Dolphins. Next pack, still looking for our auto. Got a green one. A couple shop cards. Green for the Raiders, Garyon Conley. Garyon Conley for the Raiders. Green is, oh, nice, numbered 5 out of 5. Nice one for the Raiders. Garyon Conley, 5 out of 5. Very nice. And a rated rookie for the Lions, Brad Kaya. Brad Kaya for the Lions. Nice. Green, 5 out of 5. Very nice. Got a blue one. Blue Robert Davis for the Redskins. Robert Davis for the Redskins. And that one is 33 out of 149. Robert Davis for the Redskins out of 149. And a Shelton Gibson for the Eagles. Shelton Gibson, rated rookie for the Eagles. So getting some decent color so far. A blue and a green. Green out of 5. Jones. Got a couple of rookies in this one. Prism rookie for the Steelers, James Conner. James Conner Prism rookie for the Steelers. Is not numbered. And a Joe Williams rookie for the Niners. Joe Williams. Next pack. Frank. Just a rookie in this one. For the Broncos, Chad Kelly. Chad Kelly for the Broncos. Base rookie. Got a red one. Looks like it's the Buccaneers fans of the game. Dick Vitale. Got the Buccaneers logo. Dick Vitale must be a fan of the Bucks. Red is out of 99. Dick Vitale fans of the game red for the Buccaneers out of 99. And a Hassan Reddick rookie for the Cardinals. Hassan Reddick. Still looking for that auto. And decoy. Just got a rookie in this one. Adam Shaheen for the Bears. Adam Shaheen for the Bears. Alright. Looks like a prism for the Eagles. Alshon Jeffrey prism. Alshon. And a rookie, nice one for the Panthers, Christian McCaffrey. Christian McCaffrey for the Panthers. Nice rookie. Let's see. Decoy. 3 base and a rookie. Rookie for the Bengals, Jordan Willis. Jordan Willis for the Bengals. Rookie. I got a backwards one. I'm going to assume that's going to be the hits. Should be our auto right here. Rookie for the Titans, Adoree Jackson. Adoree Jackson for the Titans. And our hits for the Bucks, O.J. Howard. Nice. O.J. Howard. Numbered out of 99. Nice. Although he got hurt. What was that? Yesterday? Monday? O.J. Howard for the Bucks. Kind of streaky auto. Nice on card though. O.J. Howard for the Bucks out of 99. So the hit is gone. Still looking for some more color. There's a blue. Got a blue for the Niners, Solomon Thomas. For the Niners, Solomon Thomas. Blue is numbered out of 299. Solomon Thomas blue, or light blue. And a Davis Webb rookie for the Giants. Davis Webb. Still got quite a few packs left. There's a blue one. Looks like an insert. Flash. Jerry Rice for the Niners. AKA Flash. Is that a... Yep, Prism out of 149. Jerry Rice, blue Prism out of 149. And a rookie for the Cardinals, Chad Williams. Chad Williams for the Cardinals. Next pack, I think we have 6 or 7 packs or so. Got another light blue. Light blue for the Broncos, Emmanuel Sanders. Emmanuel Sanders for the Broncos. Light blue. That is $2.99. $2.99. And an Ardarius Stewart rookie for the Jets. Ardarius Stewart. Next pack. That's like a base prism. Prism rookie for the Dolphins, Raekwon McMillan. Raekwon McMillan prism for the Dolphins. Oh, nice one. Mitchell Trubisky for the Bears. Nice rookie. Mitchell Trubisky. All right, we got 4 packs left. The hit is gone. Looking for some more color though. Oh, nice orange one. Got an orange one for the Eagles, Derek Barnett. Derek Barnett for the Eagles, orange. Orange is out of $1.99. Derek Barnett for the Eagles. And a Chad Hansen rookie for the Jets. Chad Hansen for the Jets. 3 packs left. Looks like a nice one. Prism for the Chiefs, Patrick Mahomes. Looks like the rookies parallel insert. Prism rookie, Patrick Mahomes. Not sure how rare those ones are. That's the first one of that subset or rookie subset. And a base rookie for the Ravens of Chris Wormley. Chris Wormley for the Ravens. 2 packs left. There's a prism and a rookie. Prism for the Steelers, Le'Veon Bell. Le'Veon Bell for the Steelers. Prism. And a rookie for the Jags, D.D. Westbrook. D.D. Westbrook for the Jags. Alright, last pack, empty box. Alright, looks like Prism for the Panthers, Illusions, Christian McCaffrey. Christian McCaffrey, Illusions. Looks like it's got Ed McCaffrey in the background too. So Panthers and Broncos goes to the Panthers since McCaffrey's listed first. Christian McCaffrey with his dad Ed, Illusions. Nice one for the Panthers. And the last one, Marlon Humphrey rookie for the Ravens.